This video I'll show you how to turn off iPhone Wi-Fi auto join for public networks. So open the Settings app on your iOS device. Now tap on the Wi-Fi option located in the third option on the settings screen. Fine, now you need to click on Edit button here. To make changes, your iPhone will ask to scan your Face ID or Touch ID or enter the passcode to edit the Wi-Fi network. After that, look at the Wi-Fi network list located under the Managed Networks. Click on the eye icon next to a specific Wi-Fi network and turn off Auto Join Trigger. In a similar way, you can turn off all unknown networks one by one to prevent auto join. There is not a toggle to block all unknown networks at once. What you say Apple should think on this. So this is the setting to stop iPhone from connecting to public networks. Now click on Wi-Fi to back. Again, click on Cancel and exit the edit mode. There is not a specific save button, but don't worry, your problem is solved right now. In the future, this network won't connect automatically to your iPhone. I hope this tutorial is helpful to you. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more technical videos.